For the universities of our alliance, reaching a lifelong learning catalogue with micro-credentials has not been such of a tradition. One of the major achievements of our alliance is to develop a wide range of educational activities. So more than 200 blended intensive programs, around 40 educational programs in terms of programs at bachelor, master, doctoral programs, but also the fact that we have finally managed to launch our first range of micro-credentials, which especially for our alliance have been quite a journey in the past 7 years. For the universities of our alliance, reaching a lifelong learning catalogue with micro-credentials has not been such of a tradition. So it was very important to try to step beyond the culture of the institutions and some of the reticencies they have in actually launching such educational offers. And it showed that the alliance can achieve those kind of activities even beyond the culture, the history, and maybe some of the challenges of the universities.